it's me, Dazel. Welcome to Dazel TV. Today, I'm going to go fishing. Gino bought this fishing rod for me for my birthday. Alright!
Dazel and I, we made it here to Lolas fish farm. Dazel's favorite place to go. So Chloe and I are here to drop her off. She wanted to be taken here this afternoon so she can go fishing. One of her birthday gifts that I got her for her birthday is the new fishing gear. So she's excited to try that out today. Chloe and I were about to head home, and we're gonna leave Dazel here on her lonesome so she can go fishing all afternoon. All right, babe. Hope you have fun.
Bye,
bye, babe. Text me if you need anything.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Love you.
Love you.
It's 5 p.m. and I'm here at Lolas fish farm to pick up Dazel. She's been here since around 2, so she's been here about 3 hours fishing. So I brought the cooler with me, so hopefully she caught some fish. We'll see. There's the cooler, so hopefully Dazel got lucky catching fish. This is the entrance to Lolas. I'm just picking up Dazel. Okay, thank you. They have a golf cart here now. I didn't see that the last time I was here. Nice. Nice looking. They got transportation here now. And this is Lolas Fish Farm. This is their service vehicle here. It's nice, really nice. Here's the cottages they have here. They got these bikes and little bikes, scooter. These are all for rent. So if you got kids, you can bring them here. They can rent these and ride around here in the Lolas Fish Farm. I think I see Dazel there. She's I can see her. She's waving at me. Dazel just loves fishing. It's like her favorite activity. You know, she's so happy when she's fishing. It's because when she was little, she said she always fished with her friends when she was younger. So she's always just carried that with her. They got all these fish ponds here, and then you just pick one, which one you can go fishing in. Hi, babe.
Hi, babe.
I like your spot there. I like your fishing spot there.
I know. It's my spot.
You went back to the bamboo, I see.
Yeah.
It's probably easier. You're probably used to.
Large.
Too large, yeah. Your hook. We'll have to get you a smaller hook. Oh, you got some fish in there.
Yeah.
All right. You got some tilapia in there. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, you got like 7 tilapia.
I got tilapia. So
I guess I know what's for dinner tonight.
Tilapia.
Tilapia.
And tomorrow too.
And tomorrow too. All right. Yeah. I don't know. I know you can eat some tilapia, man. So.
Yeah, I can eat 5.
Yeah, I know you can eat 5.
You can eat
so I got 2. I got 2 for me. All right, I'm good. I'm good with 2. All right. Oh, they got the coconuts out there. What's that all about?
Oh, maybe
It fell. It fell from that coconut tree, huh? All right.
I got my buddies, sir. Ate.
Ate.
Ate there. Ate here.
Ate 1, Ate 2. You got 2 ates fishing with you. That's all right. It's an all-female crew here fishing. All right. Oh, I see some bangus. Good sized ones too. 3 bangus. Oh man, there's a lot of bangus on this one. And tilapia.
No tilapia. Bangus.
Bangus only. We can watch sunset here
yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, oh yeah, you're not even noticing sunset. You're like, you're focused on the fish.
Yeah, I can go fishing until midnight.
I know you can. I know you can. But it's gonna be like a nice sunset.
Yeah, sunset.
Yes, sunset here is gonna be nice because look, we're finally gonna get a good sunset. Hopefully it doesn't rain all of a sudden,
Yeah.
because I see some clouds.
What time is it, babe? I think I started fishing at 1:30 p.m.
Yeah, you started fishing like between 1:30 and 2, but 1:45.
Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be a nice sunset here, babe. Oh, there's a lot of fish activity. They're like jumping.
Yeah, but they're too far.
They're too far. You need a boat.
Yeah. Bring our kayak, like our paddleboard.
Our paddleboard? Yeah, they probably let you paddleboard here. I don't know where you would launch it though. It's like the banks are kind of high.
I was just kidding.
Oh, I know you're just kidding. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice sunset here.
But it's so peaceful, babe.
I know, it's so peaceful here. I like coming here too.
I like coming here just for the fish.
You're for the fish, I know. You're funny. You still got bait? Oh, you got that pellets, so that you can attract them. And then this is the bait that Dazel uses.
Yeah.
Kind of bait is that bread?
I'm not sure.
Yeah. But you buy it for like
5 pesos.
5 pesos.
And then you can rent this pole
For
for
10.
10 pesos.
Yeah, the bamboo pole you
Yeah.
can rent for 10 pesos. And then the bait is like
5
5 pesos. So
And
15
then,
pesos.
Yeah, and then the entrance fee is 50 pesos.
50 pesos for the entry fee.
25.
25.
25.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
Yeah, 25. 25.
50 pesos for the
So,
both of us.
so 40, so less than $1. You can go fishing here with the entrance, and then
I paid 50.
yeah, and then whatever you catch, they have to they have to weigh it. Whatever fish you catch, they'll weigh it.
That fish is 10 kilos.
That's like 10 kilos. I bet you that's like half kilo. That's half a kilo. Yeah, you got half kilo fish there.
How much, ate, is 1 kilo of tilapia?
100.
100. So half kilo, that's about 50 pesos. So about $1 for those 7 tilapia.
But
That's
the
alright.
happiness is priceless.
I know. It's like catching it is like the fun part.
I know, man. They're showing off.
Yeah, I know. They're
The
like
milkfish like
they're
showing
like
off,
teasing you, huh?
But they're not eating my
Your bait? They're not eating your bait? Oh, that's
Yeah.
all right. But they're smart because they
Yeah.
figured it out. You're all
They
in here.
said, that's Dazel. I know that girl. She wants to eat us.
Well, you don't really eat the bangus, so you like the tilapia.
Yeah, I like the tilapia.
Yeah. So do you throw back the bangus if you catch it?
I got lucky. I didn't catch
Oh, you
any
really like
bangus today.
It's all tilapia today.
Yeah, I got lucky.
Yeah, good. Cool deal, man. All right.
Nice. Let's go.
It's now 6 p.m. Dazel, she's still fishing with her comrade over her, Ate. They're the last two. There was 3 of them. They're down to 2. And sunset is looking gorgeous. Really quiet here in Lolas fish farm. More fish to catch. More fish to catch. Let's go.
Let's go. They don't want to get eaten by Dazel.
They don't eat it by Dazel. I can't blame them, babe.
Wow, sana all. They don't love me, babe.
It's okay. You already caught 7. There's plenty of fish.
You just ate my bait.
That's okay.
They don't love me today.
Oh, it's all right, babe. At least you caught some fish.
I did. I had a lot of fun today.
I know, you always have fun here.
Yeah, fishing. I didn't get tired of fishing.
I know, you don't get bored here. You're just like, you can be here for hours.
The sunset is on top of the mountain there.
I know, it's right there.
Oh my god, I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
I can hear my stomach saying,
Oh, your
"Dazel,
stomach?
go eat.
Feed me.
Feed
Feed
me.
me. Stomach.
Feed
You
me,
got
Dazel."
feed me, Dazel. Well, you still gotta clean the fish and have to fry it, so
Oh yeah.
that's gonna take time.
Yeah, it can take time.
I'll help you fry it.
Fry it?
Yeah.
Okay. What about cleaning it?
You clean it, I fry it.
Okay, boss.
That's the deal. I can fry it outside by the carport.
Oh yeah.
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 In the new skillet that we bought.
You fry it,
Yeah.
I clean it, and I eat it.
All right. Sounds like a deal. Sounds like a deal.
Are you good to go?
Yeah, we're good to go. That's that's pretty good. We caught the sunset. We'll still catch the sunset on
Last
the way
bait.
on the way back while we're on the tricycle. You can film it.
Last bait.
Yeah, last one. One for the road.
One.
Make it a good one, babe. You can do this. Yeah. You can do this. Your last bait of the day.
Yeah. My legs are hurting now.
Oh yeah, but you didn't bring the chair. Next time we'll remember to bring the chair. Yeah, Chloe was really happy on the way back. She was like,
Like super happy.
yeah, she's super happy. She's like a big smile on the because like it was kind of windy, in the national highway.
For sure, she didn't even think of me.
Oh no.
For sure.
She's too happy.
She was like,
She
bye,
loves
mama.
she loves the tricycle ride.
Yeah, she was like, bye, mama. Just feed me some tilapia later.
I'm glad you did this though. At least you haven't gone fishing in a while. It's been a couple of weeks since you last fished.
Yeah,
We've been busy.
we've been busy.
Yeah.
I like this. I like going fishing.
Yeah. I know it's relaxing for you.
It's more fun for me
Mm-hmm.
than go shopping.
Yeah, I know.
Go shopping, I'm gonna go broke. Go fishing, I'll be full.
Yeah. Yeah, Kip watched your video and he said when you said when I asked you if you wanted to get lemonade and then you said you're full, he was shocked. Kip said
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
because I was bloated that time.
I'm like, all right.
Oh my god! They just ate the bait.
Put one more bait. Try to catch your last fish.
My mom's fish, and then my stomach's like.
You're already hungry. Yeah. It's funny.
Oh no, no, I'm going home now. No.
All right, babe. Let's go home, baby. Let's go home. Get your fish weighed.
It's a fun day.
Yeah, I mean you caught some fish.
Yeah, I did.
At least we got something to cook tonight. Yeah, that's plenty of fish.
This
Plenty of tilapia. That's the biggest
is
one.
the
Yeah,
biggest
that's pretty good.
one, and
Good
it's
size.
still moving.
Yeah, it's still moving. All right, it'll still make it alive home.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Let's
saw lightning.
Lightning.
Yeah. On this patch of clouds right here, I saw lightning. We'll make it home though. I don't think it's gonna rain for us.
Yeah. This is a nice
This
view.
is a nice area. Yeah, this is Makato,
Makato.
Aklan, Philippines.
Yeah, Makato, Aklan, Philippines. There's my husband, Gina. I like this area, babe, because there's like
Yeah, it's a really quiet area. Just rice fields and
rice
fish ponds.
fields and fish farm.
Nothing but fresh air.
Oh yeah.
No pollution here. Zero pollution. Oh, I saw another lightning.
Yeah. I got 3 done, babe. They're clean.
All right,
Yeah,
all
I
right.
got like 4 more.
Four
to
more?
go.
4 more to go?
Yeah.
All right.
Sip. What's for dinner?
Tilapia.
They're slippery.
Are they?
Yeah. This one is a huge one.
Yeah. All right.
This one is medium.
I'll cook it once you're done.
Alright.
All right. I am now frying the tilapia. So it won't be long. I'd say 5 more minutes. It'll be ready, babe. Dazel and I are ready to eat. We got the fried tilapia, rice, of course, and then Dazel made a sauce made of tomatoes, red onions, and soy sauce. So we're ready to eat.
Yeah. Let's go eat.
All right, dig in, babe.
Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.